Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Bereishit. Bereishit chapter 1 verse 4. Vayar Elohim et haor ki tov v'yavdel Elohim bein haor uvein hachoshech. And God saw the light that it was good, and God separated between the light and between the darkness. Vayar, traditional translation, and so-and-so saw. The vav is a prefix, means and. Yar, the traditional translation, is saw. It is a verb that means to see, to perceive, to look upon, to regard, to gaze, to give attention to. Elohim, traditional translation, is God. Masculine noun, the traditional translation is God, goddess, godlike one, works or special possessions of God, or the true God. Comes from the root word Elo, which is a masculine noun that means God or false God. Et is a particle, is a sign of the definitive direct object, not translated in English, but generally precedes and indicates the accusative. Haor, traditional translation, the light. He is a prefix that means the. Or is a feminine noun that means light, light of day, light of the sun, moon, or stars, daylight, dawn, or morning light. Ki, traditional translation, is that. It's a conjunction that means that, when, but, surely, only, except, or indeed. Tov, traditional translation, is good. It is an adjective. It means good, pleasant, agreeable, rich, happy, right, better, or glad. V'yavdel, the traditional translation is and so-and-so separated. Vav is a prefix that means and. Yavdel is a verb that means to separate, to divide, to set apart, to make a distinction, to divide into parts, set apart, sever, or difference. Elohim, traditional translation, is God. Is a masculine noun. The traditional translation is God, goddess, godlike one, works or special possessions of God, or the true God. Comes from the root word Elo, which is a masculine noun, means God or false God. Bein, traditional translation, is between. It is a preposition that means between or among. Haor, traditional translation, the light. The he is a prefix that means the. Or is a feminine noun, means light, light of day, light of the sun, moon, or stars, daylight, dawn, or morning light. Uvein, traditional translation, and between. The vav is a prefix that means and. Vein is a preposition that means between or among. Hachoshech, traditional translation, the darkness. The he is a prefix that means the. Choshech is a masculine noun that means darkness, obscurity, or secret place. It comes from the root word chashach, which is a verb that means to be or grow dark, to have a dark color, or to grow dim. Thanks for listening. Shalom.